What's going on, everybody? Let's install some Molle panels on the center console on the 4th Gen Tacoma. Let's get after it. Alright everybody, so we're out in the garage working on the truck today. Let me grab a light so we can know what we're working with here. So one of the things that I want to do is add some more mounting points and storage in the truck. And so Rago Fabrications makes these really awesome Molle panels that mount on here on both sides, on the driver's side and on the passenger side. And so we have one here, and yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get this quickly unboxed. Some plus nut, flatline Vanco, one in the front, rear, sliders. Got some armor coming, and it's actually going to be here on Monday, so I'm pretty excited about that. This is going to be the passenger side, and this is the driver's side. So this is how this is going to mount. Right in here, just like that. And that's actually what I'll do is I need to mark that hole there, and then looks like two more back here. So we're going to do that now, and we're going to get our drill bit out. We should be good to go. My understanding is it's a 25/64 drill bit, and then you need your plus nut adapter tool. So we're going to grab that right now. It's all the way far forward. Pull back just a smidge. And then work these holes. So one thing to note is you don't want to go more than a 1/4 inch in, so you got to be careful with that. Let's drill these out. Just get it on there, start the hole, and then back it out. The step bit here just to get it just a little bit wider. It's like the next notch over. And then just once I get that, clear these little burrs off. And then the plus, that just drops right in, and then we will just need to widen them and activate them so they lock in. That's it. We screw the little tool on here, and then I just use a, what do I have here? Got 11 mil and a socket, and you just hold this in place as such. Do it this way so you guys can see, and then you just basically crank it down and it opens it up. Okay, so just wrapped up the passenger side as well. So one screw there, one there, so 3 total. Done and done. Now I got some places to mount some, do my radio, flashlight. You got a couple mounting points right there, but I like how there's that right there as well. So that's that side, and then driver's side is done as well. Got some mounting right there, so really happy how that turned out. So that's it. Yeah, that's it, guys. Super easy. You just need a couple basic tools. I'll leave everything linked down below, and that's it. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.